talk about chrome cobalt dentures, otherwise called metal dentures. If you're looking for a strong, comfortable and long-lasting alternative to usual plastic or acrylic dentures, you can look into options to have chrome cobalt denture. Or if you've got breaking dentures, which you need to repair pretty often, you could consider having chrome cobalt dentures. Chrome cobalt dentures, they're a type of removable partial or full denture sometimes, which is made of thin metal framework called chrome cobalt. This metal base makes them much stronger, much thinner, and it's much more comfortable to use. They're designed to replace missing teeth, partial missing teeth, or all missing teeth. The biggest advantage is strength, so they don't really break compared to acrylic dentures. Also, they've got metal clasps, so they fit tighter than the normal acrylic dentures. If you want, we can do white clasps instead of metal clasps, which would be more aesthetic. It depends on clinical situation, so every mouth is different, so we need really to determine this during the consultation. So metal dentures are suitable. They're ideal for patients who have some natural teeth still, and they want strong and long-term solution for replacing missing teeth. So this is the chrome cobalt denture. It sits in the mouth like this. It has metal clasps, and these front metal clasps can be done as white. Chrome cobalt dentures are a reliable and long-lasting option that combines strength with comfort. If you would like to know whether you're right candidate for chrome cobalt dentures, give us a ring or book online so we can have a look into your individual case. Looking forward to see you at the counter.